In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can slide in XDefiant. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, the first thing we will have to do is actually go to the top right corner and go up to settings, and from there we can go to either mouse and keyboard or controller, depending which you are playing with. Now, I'm playing with mouse and keyboard, so I'm going to select this, and what I want to do from here is just scroll down until we can see this option which says crouch/slide. Now, I'm not sure about you guys, but by default for me this was set to some random key and it wasn't actually on an easy to reach key, so I did have to rebind this to control. So for me, in order to actually crouch, I can simply tap control, or to slide I can hold down control. Now, if you're playing on controller, you want to come over to the controller tab, and from there we can click button layout. Now, we can see over here that to crouch we have to press B, so in order to slide, you would have to hold down B. But other than that, that's exactly how you can slide in XDefiant. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.